gonna love it. I'm Sophia. Here's my brothers. And my mommy, Carla. She's gonna be the assistant.
Hey guys! You can tell me when copying
So, well, we want to say welcome to
Eat
It
It
and
and
Love
Love
It.
It. We are making a red, white, and blue dessert for all the holidays that have red, white, and blue.
Yeah,
Like 4th of July.
Memorial Day.
Exactly. And any birthday party or any event that requires red, white, and blue.
Yeah. So we have some blueberries. Tell us, Mommy.
Delicious blue for blueberries.
Some white.
Coconut milk in order to make our whipped cream.
Now we're gonna have some strawberries.
Oh, for our red color. Very nice. There you go. You forgot your brother. Hi everybody.
I forgot. Well, look,
And-
red, white, blue.
Exactly.
Now
And
we have some vanilla extras. I don't know what I just said.
no, you said it great. Vanilla extra.
Yes.
Perfect. See?
Perfect.
Practice makes perfect. She knows how to cook, guys.
Now we have some honey. Are both of them 1 cup?
Yep. No, actually, they're both like about a tablespoon.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Thank you. And now, what are we using to mix all of this up?
Is it a blender?
Right. Go mixer. Oh, that's okay. We'll get it after. And
Well, we are all done. We put in the whipped cream. What you guys want?
you mean the coconut milk?
Yeah, it's gonna be whipped cream. So I'm just saying.
Right. So we just added that in the bowl, and now we're gonna add.
Should we add our strawberries?
No. That we're gonna put together in the cup.
Oh, we should add
Remember?
vanilla and
Exactly. So we're gonna add the sauces. So we're adding some
I'm
honey.
gonna add some honey.
We're gonna use. So go ahead. Go ahead and add the honey into our whipped cream. See, I'm already calling it whipped cream too. Our coconut milk. And okay, that's perfect. And then we're gonna add our vanilla extract. I don't think they all want to see you eat your honey. Can we? Go ahead with the vanilla extract.
You don't eat it.
Oh, you're right. It's very liquid. You're right. Are we baking or are we fighting off some chefs? Now we're gonna go ahead and let me show you. So we're gonna go ahead and start blending this to make a nice consistency of whipped cream. So I'm gonna start it and then I'm gonna hand it off. Ready? It's ready. I would like it a little bit more whipped, but it's not bad because it'll flow over.
The fruit we're making like more thicker.
Yeah, the fruit. It'll flow over it. But let me just see. Make sure that we have just the right consistency.
Me.
Well, see, it's a little bit more in the liquidy. It does say about 5 minutes. It'll be a while. We just need to mix a little. Let's just see. Let's try this. now. That's all right. Oh boy. Now I'm really blue and white. So Miss Teo.
I didn't get it.
All right.
I think it's really good.
It's about ready. You're happy with it, so I'm gonna let you do it. You like the taste? It might not be super whipped creamy, but that's okay. Hello? I think we're still live. And careful, it's plugged in. I don't want it to take your tongue. You want some? Okay, we're gonna do. However, if you like it more whipped cream,
You can just like.
you can go ahead. Let me put this right behind you here. Excuse me.
You almost took off my ear.
Oh, I'm sorry, kitty. Either way, if you'd like it more whipped cream consistency, you'll want to beat it for a little bit longer. But for this purpose, we're going to go ahead and leave it because obviously she's enjoying it. And this is dairy free, by the way, just so if you're wondering. Let's go ahead and put this together, right, guys? Oh, we're missing a cup.
Can I put my cup?
Let me grab mine.
I'm gonna put my
And
cup.
we are going to go ahead and we're going to go and get some strawberries first, okay?
Strawberry fruit. Okay.
Okay.
How much are we gonna? How much?
Just put it like not all the way half, just slightly. Here, we'll go ahead and put it. I'll tell you guys. You want to do it, Mateo?
Yeah.
Okay, grab some strawberries.
How much is hot?
Okay, not a problem. You can put it to where you like. I think that's a good amount. You're good. You're good.
Okay.
I think I'm good too.
Can I add some?
Go ahead. You can add some. Here, let's bring it closer to you. That's tasty. That is very tasty.
Oh, I thought
No,
that.
no, just let it fall in.
I thought that was from the outside.
Her glass
Can I
looks lovely. Now you go ahead and add your blueberries.
No.
I'm gonna add mine.
This? Look at
So,
this.
okay. She likes to make it perfect. So, you ready now? All right. So, let's go ahead. I'm gonna add it, and then you add your blueberries. Okay.
I need a spoon.
Ooh, that looks
I
lovely.
need a spoon to make my.
And again, you can add as much. Yummy. Go ahead, add your blueberries.
Can I add some of the frosting?
You sure can. I mean, obviously you can do it how you like, but as you can see, you have
This
the
is
red,
so clean.
you have the white, and then you have the blueberries on top. I'm just doing it a smaller version, but of course, if you'd like to fill it, I would say fill it to the top, because I really want to enjoy this and eat this like right away.
I taste.
So,
I taste more vanilla.
yeah, very good.
Can I try?
He does one by one, so he might be here a little while. All right, so here we go. Let's show everybody. Hold up your glasses.
My glass is dirty.
And his is clean, so, but you get the idea. Like I said, you can go up with it and make it really nice and pretty, very festive.
So we're all done with our stuff. You know what? And you can,
It's dessert.
yeah, you can do any way you want. These two did it like just one way.
Layered it.
Yeah, I did it 2 layers. And Lindsay,
So if you want to follow this recipe for the whipped cream and
you
for
can just
the
go in our comment down below.
on the description box,
Yeah.
find the recipe. Find the recipe and modify it to how you like. It's a fun recipe to put together. In just a minute, baby. Look. Go ahead. You can try yours. However, please do share our recipes with anybody you'd like and leave us a comment. And what else do you want to add to that?
Give us a big thumbs up and make sure you hit the subscribe button. The bell notification. And we want to give up to 10,000 likes or 2,000.
Yeah, exactly. So please do let everybody know about us and enjoy the recipes and let us know what you think. We enjoy comments. Thank you so much and bye guys.
Bye guys.
Can I try yours? Can I? Let me get into your... No, don't touch my food.